Here you go. We decided that we wanted to have a little fun, so we packed our things and headed to Stingray City. We got there right on time for the 11 o'clock trip, and here's how it went. We're about to head out on, where are we? At Stingray City. And we're going to go to Laviscount Island as well to see the turtles. So come along with us. Say hi, Ree. So we paid for a combo trip. But first we're gonna go to Stingray City and then Cam, I don't think that you can wear the hat on the boat.
Why not?
Pull it down a little bit more.
Maybe everyone has to.
Because it's gonna fly off. Okay, there. All right. And then we're gonna go over to Laviscount Island. So I'm gonna take you guys over there. We got to hang out for a little bit before the tour guide came with our instructions, and then we were off.
Give you guys a brief explanation on the sting. What happened on there? Just a little example of a sting. Once you're gonna see out there, they're much bigger. Alright? But the stingrays, they are big flat fish. On top, they got two eyes. Here each of the eyes, they got a hole. They're not the mouth. They're all spherical. They're eating food, and the remainder of food are trash that they don't want. Just go back out to the
We were told that we could use the life jacket for the children. Now tell me, why is it that we always have to go for the one behind? Why can't we just take the first one? We always go for the second one or the third one behind. Help me out. Is it just me? Before we left the island, we had to sign our waiver forms for our minors and for ourselves. And we are on our way. I'm so excited. My daughter was all excited until we got to the jetty and she realized that part of the jetty was a floating jetty. She started to get nervous. But otherwise than that, she was A-okay. If we're moving off. Say hi. It's an adventure. Real. So my cousin, who is always equipped for everything, just gave me a phone pouch, a waterproof phone pouch, so that I could record my content unfettered by worry. So from here on in, I use the waterproof pouch, and in some areas you may see it get a little blurry. That's because the water is splashing on it and I could hardly see anything on the screen because the sun was so bright. So please forgive that. We're now arriving at the floating dock where we will get off the boat and get in to have some fun. See them? What are they? I really need to stop underestimating my daughter. I thought the child would have been scared and resistant, but the child is into it. She was completely unbothered and she wanted to see the stingrays up close and personal and interact with it. What can go so? Also note that this is not my first time here. The first time I came here, I was screaming my head off. But now that I know the ropes, I'm a little bit better.
try and keep the wings. My hand underneath. Keep them right.
We decided to take a group photo here, and the Stingray was a little bit unsettled, but she became a little relaxed after a while, so that was good. And here is Ava, touching and interacting with the Stingray as naturally as ever.
Relax, relax, Rio. Relax.
Okay.
Okay, no, wait. Lady, look at me. Lady. Oh, nice picture there.
You're so
So the Stingray feels like firm rubber, but smooth and slippery at the same time. It's quite odd, but satisfying. Chance to feed the Stingray here, but you'll get to see it under the water in a few minutes.
Want to feed it?
It literally vacuums the food into its mouth. Being in their natural habitat and standing around harmoniously with them was just amazing to me. The way that both the fish and the stingrays were unafraid. I don't know if it's because they smell food or wow, but they were unafraid and they interacted with us. They bumped us, they swam around us, and it was just the most amazing thing ever. I loved it. After spending about 45 minutes there, we transitioned over to Laviscount Island, where we will be seeing the giant tortoises.
Alright. Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to Laviscount Island. My name is Shay, guys, and we're gonna have a good time today.
So we're going to get drinks, and then we're going into the pen. The sun is strong candle today. Strong. The sun is killing us. Sun is a killer. Yeah. Girl. Oh. This one is in the mud. Enjoying it.
Two.
Honestly, I had to get the water after this because the punches were made from a type of syrup that I really didn't like, but otherwise, I had a great experience. This is Laviscount Island. It is absolutely stunning. I was so pleasantly surprised by the beauty and how well kept this island is, and I'm wondering if there's anything else over here, like maybe a restaurant or something, because there was a lot of seating area, etc. And I was so pleasantly surprised that they not only had turtles but other animals. Here goes.
Inside here, you will see the little deformities indents in the shells, missing eyes, the bent leg. Tripod was born with the leg missing. And we have one with the eyes popped out. We call him Popeye. It's because of, from birth, is a birth defect. So they're at the bottom of the nest, they're soft and they get trampled on. So they come up with some sort of deformities, okay? So, right, you're gonna always hold the carrots at the end, guys. Okay? Always hold the carrots at the end, not in the middle. Back there, you listening? Because if you get bitten, that's on you, okay? Always feed them straight on. While you're feeding, just make sure you look behind of you. Make sure that there's none creeping up on you at all. They move like zombies inside here, guys. They don't make any sound at all, okay? No, they live up to 200 years, eh? Jeffrey, he's about 50, 60 years of age.
Got the carrot.
Remember, guys, just spread out. Spread out this much. Spread out.
Here you go. You give him some, Ava. He's hungry. Feed him. This one was swimming. He didn't get any food.
I'm getting out of the pool now.
Okay, so in the next minute, we're going to see different types of animals, okay?
Yeah.
So get the last feeding done.
You're gonna walk in your hand. Keep your hand open. You're gonna walk in your hand, okay? Walk. Feel it walking in your hands? Keep your hand open. Keep your hand open. Wait. Zaina has one already. Kitty has one already.
Here you go, Eve. In your two hands, hold him gently. Be gentle with him. Gentle. Okay. If you listen closely, you're gonna hear this bird say hello. I can't believe it. Ooh. Oh no. Oh yeah.
No, don't go closer.
Guys, it was so good. I thought that it was only turtles that were over here, but they have different types of birds and iguanas and stuff. So I really enjoyed this tour and I think it is truly worth it. So if one day you don't have something to do, there is a special that's going on. You could just call, make a booking. When you come, you pay, you get tagged, and you go on tours. So the tour that I took was a combination tour. And we go over first to see the stingrays, and afterwards we came over to see the tortoises, the turtles. Okay? All right, so we're gonna go back over to the mainland. Overall, I think that this tour is a fun and unique way to get your child or children to learn about nature and experience it close up. They will learn a lot about these species and understand why it is important to take care of the environment and to protect our wildlife. It's definitely a must try, so even if you're still scared, I think you should do it. If you live in Antigua, it's a special experience that you should not miss. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Much love, lovelies. Bye.